viewers, this is ERi-TV English News broadcasting live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. I'm Barsaba Taghla with your latest updates and insights on the world's most pressing issues. We'll start with the top stories for today. Commendable greening campaign in Areza subzone. Distribution of chickens to farmers in the southern region. Britain and US agreed tech deal during Trump's visit. And India joins Russia-Belarus military drills. In your domestic reports, Mr. Fuadu Walde Yohannes, representative of the Forestry and Wildlife Authority in Areza subzone, reported that a commendable greening campaign is being conducted in the subzone. He further stated that residents are also actively engaged in water and soil conservation activities aimed at stabilizing the environment and enhancing indigenous trees. Mr. Fuadu indicated that about 110,000 tree seedlings have been planted this year on reserved land, school compounds, religious sites, office compounds, martyr cemeteries, and along the streets. Mr. Malakha Fissahaye, a water and soil conservation expert, said that alongside the greening campaign, over 65 meters of terraces and more than 2,200 cubic meters of water catchment schemes have been constructed through strong public participation. Mr. Malakha further noted that commendable water and soil conservation activities have also been carried out in the remote areas of the subzone through the students' summer work program. The program included road renovations as well as support for families of martyrs and disadvantaged citizens. Going to the southern region now, the Ministry of Agriculture branches in the subzones of Tsorona and Maiaini in the southern region have distributed about 20,000 chickens to farmers at fair prices. The initiative is part of ongoing efforts to ensure access to nutritious food for all and everywhere. Mr. Habtish Taghla, head of the Agriculture Office in Tsorona subzone, stated that the program aims not only to ensure nutritious food, but also to enable farmers to engage in poultry farming and improve their livelihoods. He further urged the beneficiary farmers to provide proper care for the chickens and work diligently to expand their poultry activities. The beneficiaries expressed their appreciation for the support and reaffirmed their commitment to work hard to improve their livelihoods and contribute to market stabilization. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. The British government said yesterday that Britain and the United States agreed on a multi-billion-dollar tech deal during U.S. President Donald Trump's state visit to boost fast-growing fields such as AI, quantum computing, and nuclear. As per the official statement, the tech prosperity deal aims to accelerate AI research for new drugs, faster treatments, and better cancer care, while also supporting civil nuclear projects. As part of the deal, Microsoft will invest $30 billion in AI infrastructure in Britain, while Google will open a data center in Waltham Cross, Hertfordshire, as part of a 2-year multi-billion-dollar investment in Britain. However, critics have warned against Britain's growing dependence on the United States and American technology with potential consequences. In today's final report, Russian state agency TASS said yesterday that Indian troops have participated in the Russian-led Zapad 2025 military drills, highlighting Moscow's close ties with New Delhi, whose growing ties with the United States have been strained by the imposition of hefty tariffs by President Donald Trump. The Indian Ministry of Defense confirmed it had sent 65 armed forces personnel to participate in the drill. At the War Games, Russia and Belarus also rehearsed the launch of Russian tactical nuclear weapons as part of joint military exercises, which also featured the Oreshnik hypersonic missile. This is not the first time that India has participated in Russian military exercises. In 2021, New Delhi said it sent an unspecified number of troops to Russian Volgograd region to join activities linked to counter-terrorism and conventional operations. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick recap of the top stories. Commendable greening campaign in Areza subzone. Distribution of chickens to farmers in the southern region. Britain and US agreed tech deal during Trump's visit. And India joins Russia-Belarus military drills. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with more news and developments. But until then, have a good one.